Hello everyone. I don't know if you guys can hear me or if my audio is working. I don't really know. Is it working yet? Is it? Is it working? Hello everyone. I don't know if you guys can hear me or if my audio is working. I don't really know. Is it working yet? Is it? Is it working? So I'm just going to go on showdown, click random battle, random doubles, and just click battle. I don't fucking know. I'm just going to lose anyways. I just have horrible luck. Set battle options. What when you start timer and done. Alright. That's actually not a bad one. High horsepower here and struggle bug or tailwind. Tailwind. Definitely tailwind. Speed control is the main issue here. Wait, what does my team even look like? Cycleather is pretty fast, alright. Quiver Dance Venomot is dog shit. Arbivola is the bulky set. I guess it's actually not that bad. Also, I also have Pomot, so for reviving stuff. High horsepower and no. Head smash into Magmor and then Tailwind. I should survive. Hell yeah. I did get a burn, but having to sacrifice one pseudo voodoo for a fucking follow me user is actually a pretty good deal. I think the sound issue is more of a Linux thing than my audio issue. I blame Linux. Hmm. Alright. And now head head smash into Chimichu and then heat wave. And no, not heat wave. What wave? Struggle bug. No. I'll just heat wave. Alright, that did more than double, I guess. Eh, you win some, you lose some, basically. What can I do? No. Shed tail and then rage powder. Realistically. Because if I can get like Venomotin safely, or yeah, if I can get Venomotin safely, then I'll be unstoppable. Quiver Dance into knockoff Chimichu. Wait, no, it doesn't have any items, but still Quiver Dance into double edge, I guess. Huh. Bug Buzz into Chimichu and then switch out to Arbivola, yeah. Flygon with Levitate is actually pretty hard to deal with. Wait, no. No, I actually have a better idea. I don't know what to do right now. I'm going to lose. I'm going to lose. I'm just going to lose at this point. No, hyper voice. Wait, no. Is it specs? Yeah, specs, hyper voice into knockoff column. No, explosion. Yeah, that was actually a horrible mistake for me. That was a mistake. Hmm. Hello. Hello. Hello, Dumpty. Hello. Anyways, I'm getting shafted, like literally. I'm just going to go random doubles and just hope for the best. I was 1450 ELO a few hours ago, and I'm currently at 1300. My life sucks, honestly. Yeah, look at this. 214, 219. Icy wind, and then I don't know. What can I do? Yeah. Eh, yeah. I don't really realistically know anything else that I can do. I got speed control up, but it will definitely volt switch. Wait, it's not volt switch. It's electro disc. Knockoff into Miraidon while I rage powder. Yeah, that was actually good. That was actually good. That was just good. Also, I like the new roaring motion animation. It looks pretty good. It looks straight up good. Also, it's not my microphone volume, it's more so the distance from the microphone. Tailwind. I don't know. 225, 240. Thereof. Tailwind, and then sticky web. But no. What? 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 How? Alright, but still. Heat wave and then fire blast into brute bonnet. Heat wave and then fire blast into brute bonnet. Now what? Now what? Heat wave and then maybe psychic? Yeah, psychic. Psychic should be reasonable. Heat wave and then psychic. Seed flare didn't work. Why did I get a critical hit? Just why? My luck is horrible. My luck is horrible. I just have horrible luck. Pollen puff into Oinkle launch and then fire blast into Shaman. Wait. Does it have air slash? It probably has air slash. Ribombi is going to die. Ribombi is going to die, definitely. Oh. That was unexpected, I guess. Pollen puff into Oinkle launch. Yeah, that was an obvious loss for me. That was obvious. All I can do at this point is just try again. Um, no. Volt absorb, so I'm just going to do Thunderbolt into Gyarados, and then Art Power into Lantern. But no, Thunderbolt into Gyarados and Leaf Storm into Lantern, I guess. And hope for the best. Of course it's fucking Dark Trio. I get hard countered by Dark Trio. But anyways, yeah. And I think I'm going to lose this one as well. I have horrible luck. Yeah, of course it is. Of course it is. Fucking overheat and then no. Electro web and then art power. That's real. Trust me. Trust me. Electro web. Fucking disable the Luna as a shadow shield. Like they will wait and shoot to this while I kill it. Oh no. Yeah, of course it is a flinch. Of course it is a flinch. What else do I expect? Liquidation into Duck Trio. While I switch out to... I don't fucking know. Duraludon, I guess. Nobody would do a ground attack on Duraludon. Plus, Duraludon is pretty bulky. See? I'm cooked. I'm just cooked. I'm just cooked at this point. Like, why am I even playing? No. Liquidation into Lunala. Liquidation into Lunala while I Terra fighting Body Push into Dark Trio. That should work. That should do something at least. That should do something. Even if I sacrifice a guy. Of course I fucking flinch again. What do you expect me to do? The only thing I cannot do is flinch. Noctowl and then Electro Web. Wait, no. Hurricane into Lunala while I scald the Gyarados. In theory it should do something. 166, 176. Yeah, I still outspeed hopefully. I should outspeed, right? 1.5 times versus 2 times? Yeah. Alright. Hurricane, Lunala, while I scald this fucking Gyarados. Good. And then hell yeah. This is called the biggest comeback in the universe. This is literally the biggest comeback in the universe. Now what? All I can do is Like realistically speaking, all I can do is Hurricane into Brute Bonnet while I do Electro Web for speed control. Yeah, Dragapult is just damn too smart, way too fast for me to handle regularly. So all I can do is like, wait, clear body, fucking clear body. Sometimes I forget about clear body. Wide guard and then Scald. Does Wide Guard work on Dragapult's Dragon Dart? No, I'm going to accept. I accept. Fuck you. I'm going to win. I'm going to win. Fucking Lando T. Everyone, God bless Lando T. Lando T is the best, honestly. Fuck you, Cresselia. That's a Celesteela. Celesteela, I don't know. I could in theory do this, but yeah. What? Wait, doesn't it affect Wide Guard? Isn't it supposed to affect Wide Guard? Liquidation. Scald. Wait. This is not fair. This is not fair. Imagine if I poisoned him. Imagine if I poisoned him. I fucking lose. Yeah. This is going to be a quick match, honestly. Without Terra, this is just... This is just easy without Terra Blast. Terastallization. Everything is too predictable. Everything is predictable. I'm going to accept all of you. I'm going to accept it all. You guys are all going to die anyways. Why do you get fucking Incineroar? This is not even fair. This is not fair. Yawn into Clefairy while I muddy water. I don't fucking... Yeah. I just realized I'm at a disadvantage because you guys can see my Steam clearly. You can just see my Steam. Fucking Gyro Ball. Fucking Stealth Rock. Volt Switch. Yeah. Aura Sphere into Clefairy. And Thunderbolt into Clefairy. U-turn and the fucking cast from the fucking most useless Pokemon in the entirety of Kalos, I guess? Wait, no. It was Hoenn, yeah. It was a Hoenn Pokemon. The most fucking useless Hoenn Pokemon to ever exist. Fucking cast form. I fucking hate cast form. I don't have a single fucking mega. Not a single mega. I do have the God of Death with me though. Oblivion Wing. Yeah, I could. I guess I could use Oblivion Wing on you. I'm going to muddy your water 10 times. I fucking love maushold. I'm extremely obsessed with maushold. That's all I can say to you. I literally named my server maushold god. That's how much I fucking love maushold. I'm fucking autistic about maushold. Like, look at this. Like, look at this fella. Like, look at this guy. This is literally the most adorable Pokemon to ever exist. Like, look at this. This is pure perfection. This is perfect. Look at this. Like, look at this. Look at this card. Look at this one. Yeah. It's just... Yeah. It's so fucking good. They're so fucking adorable. Alright, Monday Water and Monday Water. Maushold. Maushold. Yeah. Oblivion Wing till I can suck you off. And by that I mean I can suck your health off. You know, not like, you know, in that way. Why am I so fucking unlucky? What was that? What? That is the most... That was the most lucky plus in the planet. Earth power into the fucking plus and fucking muddy water. Pangoro. Yeah, I fucking love Pangoro. Yeah. 10% chance to confuse. Why not? Why not? Thunderbolt. Fucking U-turn victim. Yeah. Recover and then slack off. Switch to Feraligatr and Rock Slide, yeah. You can't counter me. You can't fucking counter me. I'm that good. As long as I have my luck with me, I am unbeatable when I'm lucky. I'm literally unbeatable. I'm literally unbeatable when I'm lucky. Sword Stance and then Claw and then Rock Slide, yeah. Yeah, I'm extremely lucky when I'm, you know, I don't know to take chances. Yeah, I'm extremely lucky when I'm lucky. Yeah, I will fucking challenge anyone. I'm accepting all challenges. I'm fucking bored. High horsepower and a fucking Jirachi, well. Ah. I fucking hate Jirachi. I want to fucking melt this fucker down. I want to melt it and use it as jewelry. How's your life going, Dumpty? How's life? Fucking this and this. That's that's the only thing I can think of right now. Competitive. Of course it's competitive. But of course I miss. Of course I miss. What do you expect me to do? Rock slide. Tailwind. Eh. Of course I missed twice in a row. Of course I missed twice in a row. What else do you expect me to do? What am I supposed to do right now? Yeah, tailwind and fucking. I want to fucking drop a Draco. I want to drop a Draco on this bitch. I want to drop a Draco. Rock slide, and then yeah, fucking Luster Purge. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't fucking know what to do. I give up. Well, I do know what to do, but what I can do is pretty rough. Fake out into the fucking Jirachi while I just realized I'm saying all my moves out loud, yet I'm still winning. How does that work? You guys can see my team beforehand. How are you guys still losing? How are you guys even still losing right now? That doesn't even make sense. That does not make sense in the slightest. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm still saying it out loud though, bitch. I'm still saying it out loud. I'm still saying it out loud, and that's what matters. That's the only thing that matters, honestly. Uh, Yeah, I could do. Actually, fun fact: Ash did actually fight Pokemon with his fists in the anime. Like he literally tried to box Mewtwo. That was one of the dumbest shit, one of the dumbest things I've ever seen actually. Uh, no, I don't know what to do right now. Close combat. While I left, well, I tailwind. I should still outspeed, right? Wait, no. Fucking life score. Fucking die. Ferret and Hypno. I don't even know what to do right now. Yeah. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. That was. How are you still losing? How? Just how? How are you even still losing right now? That isn't even fair. Uh, just because I'm a virgin, doesn't mean you have to like call me out or something. That's mean. That's actually pretty mean. Uh, uh, I don't fucking know what to do right now. Like, yeah. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Wait. Let me just wait. Yeah. Who the fuck gives? Why is that Yuri in the Yuri channel? Why? Yeah. I should do a Yuri review stream. I don't know why, but I should do one. Or a Yaoi review. That would be pretty good actually. I should do one. One of these streams one day. One day. One day. Not now though. I'm fucking lifeless right now. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking um that's actually pretty easy. Electro web. A choice scarf Reggie is literally the dumbest thing ever. And also probably the fastest thing to ever exist. Like why? Like if I'm not wrong, a choice scarf Reggie can actually outspeed I think Trick Room, but I'm not actually sure about it. In theory it should be able to outspeed Trick Room. And that would be funny. Imagine if I use Trick Room and it outspeed. But was it under Tailwind or just vanilla? I forgot. Um, Knockoff while also doing a foul play. Mm. Wait, who was it? Hmm. That. Hmm. Um. Double edge. Um. I think I'm just cooked. Yeah. Yeah. I know you definitely should mimic you, Ogre Pawn, and Alamamola, didn't you? It's actually pretty obvious. It's actually pretty obvious what you chose. Yeah, of course you did. I don't think I outspeed. Wait. Why is my speed at 6-7? Why is it 6-7? Just why? Why out of all the numbers in the entire universe is it 6-7? This is beyond cursed. Yeah, Thunderbolt into. Yeah, you win. You win. GG, I guess. Yeah. Why would you Terra? Why did you Terra? Did you think I was going to Terra Blast you or something? Yeah. Calm mind. Why am I fighting so many transgender people and winning? This would be a pretty good title for my stream, honestly. It would be. Waterfall? No. Poison jab, yeah. All I need is poison jab. Tailwind. Poison, yeah. Fucking poison you. I'm going to tailwind. And then twist this. I know for a fact Lacey is going to pick Gastrodon, then fucking low kicks, and then I don't know, Latias I guess. No, not Latios. I don't know. Yeah, Scissor maybe Scissor. There's a big chance of using Scissor. Wow. Nasty plot into fucking fake out into your fucking fortress. I don't fucking care, I don't fucking know, all I know is you're going to die. That's the only thing that matters, and that's the only thing that will happen to you. Wait, no. 350, 331. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just going to... I'm going to fucking Aura Sphere, and then Helping Hand this. Damn it. Yeah, that wasn't good. That was not good in the slightest. That wasn't good. I give up. I give up. I give up. Yeah. We all know what you did to fucking Mioskarab. It was extremely sad and depressing. 207 to no, what? Why would you be blind when you're drinking, when you're using a blinker? Why? That's why. Calm. I'm going to calm my mind right now. I'm so fucking calm with my calm mind up. I'm just going to search new. Yeah, that was actually pretty. You are not rusty. You are not rusty. I'm just that good. I'm extremely good, actually. I'm better than most people. Terabag first impression will always KO, if I'm not wrong. Why do I why is it just why is it fucking boots 311 350 in theory I should be able to stab, but yeah, I win. Yeah, cry about it, little liberal, fucking liberal. Yeah, I love spread moves. I fucking love spread moves. I love spread moves. We should all have a moment of silence for the weed cat. Or weed cat got smoked by Tripituni. Mortal spin upon you and then fucking Giga Drain. Sludge Bomb into Silvio and then Giga Drain into Electabuzz. Wait, how good is the Sylveon HP situation right now? How good is its HP stat? What if I Giga Drain into this and then this into this? I don't even know what I did with my mouse right now. How long has it been? How long have I been streaming for? It's been an hour. I should move to programming. Spiky Shield and then Giga Drain into fucking. I sometimes forget that Dragon Energy is a spread move. Why didn't they nerf Regidrago when they nerfed fucking Regieleki? It's not fair at all. They should either nerf them together or do something at least. Why did you get why? Just why? Just why? Put Huh. 19 views with an 11-minute duration. It's actually not bad. I don't know what I did, but I'm winning. That's what matters. Should have used protection, honestly. remember Widget. We will all remember fucking Widget. Also, why do I only have one viewer right now? I had a lot of them. Now why do I have only one? Life is not fair. Well, nothing is fair if you're talking philosophically, but still, you know. I wish life was a bit more fair to me, at least. I should go and I should stop playing Showdown and start writing code. I can fucking send it to Dagestan, but still, enough. Ooh, then I will do leader fr and then res. Yeah. Anyways. I did not touch the code after I went to bed. So like this is this is the current situation right here. I don't fucking know. Wait. It's a struct and I'm finding an enumerator. So, like, I don't fucking know. In theory, I should just be able to. So I'm returning a command struct instead of a result. So my statement isn't matching. So I guess I need to do something like, wait, I don't know. Yesterday.io.command. Wait. Let's see if the LSP can help me. Dot format type ID format fmt dereference with the mutability. Yeah, why would I need? Wait, I can actually use this and make a Docker clone. I have an idea, but I'll do it later. I actually have an idea. What I'm trying to get is the struct as a result, right? I need something that gives me the status. I need something that gives me the state. If there is a child process waiting for definition, collecting status by for standard input, standard output, and standard error are inherited from the parent. Example process, command process, status, expect, field execute process. Yeah. That should wait. In theory, that should work, right? STA LA. That should work, right? ls is a l icons. Hell yes. Control D. Wait, so I technically have a working shell right now? I technically have a working shell, but like, this is the most bare bone thing in the planet, alright, but still, I should at least write it out. And then do some processing. We are going to use the std the process command, create a library, whatever it's called. I forget the naming convention. I'm just going to call it library. Wait, let me do some code. With returning the result and not the command struct, so we need the status command, the status. Yeah. Also, to do. Wait, no. I'm not going to. I'm going to make it look good. I'm going to look good. Make it look good. I'm going to make it look good. Dot or wait, no. I forgot how. Wait. Isn't it already highlighted? Doesn't that get highlighted automatically by Rust or something? I forget. I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm not going to do more with it. What I'm going to do. Yeah. This should be self-explanatory, isn't it? This is self-explanatory. This is self-explanatory. Yeah. I'm so good at fucking commenting. Look at this. 2 self-explanatory comments. Like, they call me a genius for this. They'll call me a genius one day. Trust me. They'll call me a fucking genius. I have 0 viewers at this point. I don't fucking know what to do. Yeah, I don't fucking know what to do. Yeah, I assume I explained this part, and yeah. So, We're going to take the string, the input string, and then split it into white. And then we're going to match and then pass through the command, the new command function. Hopefully this should take, I don't know how to explain stuff basically. I'm more of a doer than an explainer, so this is annoying. I'm talking to myself at this point, which makes me schizophrenic, I think. I'm schizophrenic at this point. I'm schizophrenic. I'm going insane. Somebody end my misery. Just kill me. Yeah, what are my stream analytics looking like right now? I have 2 viewers somehow. I have 2 concurrent viewers and an average watch duration of something like 9:37. Watching activity. Yeah. I don't fucking know what to do right now. I'm a washed out streamer basically. This. Then GY and then Ctrl P. The main function. So they move to the pop function looking like this now. I'm going to paste it all in. I'm just going to paste it all in. I'm going to paste it all in. I'm going to paste it all in. I don't fucking care either at this point. I'm going to remove all the lines to make it a bit less readable for the reader. I'm evil like that. I'm evil. I'm extremely evil. They call me the Antichrist. I'm actually the Antichrist. But nobody will know because I don't have any viewers. Oh, I have 3 viewers at this point. None of you should actually know that I'm the Antichrist. And I'm evil. Anyways. Yeah. Now what? So far I've built a basic shell. Like, I'm going to drag it down here, feed into less. wait, wait. How did I do that held and handle built-ins command? Wait, how did I handle built-ins? Oh yeah, I actually forgot about this. Oh yeah. Hmm. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, let me talk to a friend about something. Wait, should I, like, should I restructure it? Like, should I use this structure, or should I do something else with it? Like, I'm not even sure if this is the most optimum method. Like, this is what I did the last time I made a shell. I just used the match command for everything. Yeah, my brain isn't working right now. Like I could do something like, I don't know. I need to draw a diagram. I'm just going to fucking use Miro. I'm just going to use Miro. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Uh, like I could just, wait. Dark mode. I'm going to disable dark mode for now. I apologize for anyone who is watching this. I apologize for ruining your eyes. Oh, wait, where was the code again? Yeah, I could just do an. I could just do an. I could do a match. Wait, I'm gonna fucking type. I miss you. I didn't bring my drawing tablet. I'm currently at my parents' house, so I didn't bring my drawing tablet. So I can just do a match. Hmm. I can do a match and then do something like test. I could check and then check the string for each built-in. I can then do this, or I can just, I can raw dog it. I could also do this. Like, what do I even do at this point? Well, basically, I can like actually write a shell command, write an external shell command, like in bash or whatever you call it, and then match it to that. Like, wait, where's the smart drawing? Yeah, I could do this and then do this with something like bash, or I could also do is just do this using like basic Rust. Either actually works for me. I don't even know what to do. No. Yeah, it ruined it. Fucking AI. Yeah. Either way, like, in either case, wouldn't I actually have to, like, wouldn't I be, like, testing each string against the variable in either case or something? Or not? Like, I don't know, like, if I do something like this in bash and, like, even, like, if I have the box here and, like, pass it through using an API or shell variables, and, like, you have a lot of, bunch of bunch of the binaries and in the bin folder. Wouldn't I have to like manually test every single one of these or not? I don't fucking like how would it even work if I used bash? Like, could I even? Well, if I did this method, then one good thing is that I could actually just reuse my old code. I wouldn't really have to like rewrite my old code, rewrite anything from scratch. I can just use my old code base and be done with it. Why am I yapping like a schizophrenic on weed? I'm retarded anyways. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Mm. Yeah, I'm going to copy. I'm going to use this. I don't fucking care at this point. I'm just going to I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this. Wait, what was the what? I forgot. Like, how was I supposed? Like, I forgot how imports work. How imports work? I forgot. I'm fucking demented. Yeah, I am fucking demented. I have dementia. Oh yeah. What if I just use mod? Oh yeah. I am fucking demented. Wait. Wait. What? If I'm not wrong. Wait. Let me check the old built-in file. I'm just returning true and false, right? It's just a boolean. What if I just, What if I just use it before the execute command? I can just use it before the execute command, like before this, yeah. I can just I put it here. Well, yeah, I think, yeah, that's what I should actually do, honestly. Already can do. Wait, was it false or true? I forgot. Let me just run it. Ah, wait, does it use stars at all? Yeah, it uses stars, I guess. I'm going to add that. I'm just going to add that. I'm freaking lazy. LS? Yo. Wait, what was the command again? I forgot. Yomo says. Yeah. 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 It works. Yeah. So I currently have a fully working. So I currently have a working shell. Like what's the code count? Let me check. Like let me just install clock right now. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I know CLOC is count lines of code. So how do you even pronounce it? Anyways, it's already done. So total 105 lines of code for a proper working shell with Easter eggs and the cowsay command. That's actually pretty good. If I'm not, if I'm I don't want to glaze myself, but like, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, let me just push my nodes up to something, to my remote Git server. And by Git server, I mean GitHub. I'm not fancy enough to use a custom hosting provider. I'm fucking broke. And I've been talking to myself like a schizophrenic. So, since I have 0 viewers, I'm just going to end it. Bye bye. Bye bye.